accept. We will not accept. Well, I'm very clear. Loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year, the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangap. This year we will not accept.
1 minute.
Am I right or wrong? Tonam to, Pak.
Daga jingtur jong kipat ba kathan Lapangap. Kabadon hakaput jong gejela Meghalaya ber Assam. Kibalatur syanong ba syelong berlek dawa syadu sekretariat. Kala perlong ia ki bor sarkar nadu udisi ke West Jaintia Hill District baru SP ketiga district. Ban pendam tedong hiton da ke bakular banadu ke khatsau terik ujamang arajar arpenriu. Ki bor district kinsapha da ki perton ketat pulit SF10 ban ajing da syakipat nongrep jongkasnong Lapangap. Katay kajing tur ki pajba kalalong hakakatlay tarik ujamang arajar arpenriu. Hanong ba asilong. Hakaba ladon kajing penibor bat ki pulit pahara kanong ba asilong. Henry kabalawan ra ya kajing ya keno na kibabun ha kibabun rukom.
Today, many farmers from Lapangap came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me myself and the representative from various student organizations as well as the headman of Lapangap. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
Nilang yang audisi dan penciu untuk hadin ketua kelas. Tapi lah siapa tu ipi tak hadin bom biok tapi lipuk di rep kamu jole. Dawan bini sini dia ile chong meeting go deputy chief minister yang i uman le local MLA US Dhar. Hata hek office yang jing em lang yang ki chief secretary yang SP DC kamu jole yang guru sarkar em. Dan yang government dak ga assurance untuk wa dau bu pulit dikdik SF10 kamu di situ. Ke polis ku strong na banta ya dai pi ulai po lai rep pi cita jela pengap. Terliang yang sarkar le da igoi kata ga assurance. Kajing penting kena. Tok na dom step dau M double triple kajing bun yang dipulit ku ya dai pi hai lai rep yang pi tai hala pengap. Kata to assurance daliang yang sarkar wi chong ita po office support secretariat. Daliang di sisar rengkar USP DKI kita assurance waktu wa nado mesti chanai niliang yang pi gidong chong Lapangap daw yo pi kata kajing yada ko kerpang wat niliang yang NGO giwa represent gidong chong yang pi ko emlang ni time meeting disyaw waktu wa nado mesti kesni nado ni step le niliang SP na kanao to deploy gi pen pro gi kita polis ku em sta cepo Lapangap tente daw pa ba kini man ngam ga jing pentip cepi uman man gua jai ni phak na liang yang government ka kwa ko kre ni bentayong pi yu kita assurance cepi kanang yo pi urep kamu jurep man snem
Mustep hi.
mesti jai dan liang government